Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about the topic power of the numbers. The question goes like, given a number n, find the value of n raised to the power of its own reverse. Note, the result will be always fit into 32-bit signed integer. So what they are asking the question to find means, for any value n, we need to find n raised to the power of its own reverse. That means, for example, let us take n is equal to 10. So reverse of 10 will be 1. So 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10. We need to find that. It same goes like for 2 also. Reverse of 2 will be 2. So 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. So to do that, the input is going to be an integer. On output, we must get in the type of integer also. What we will do, uh, we will have to iterate by making uh, n modulus of 10 and we will store it in a variable, and after storing that in the variable, what we will do, we will initially set reverse as 0, and also we can modify reverse as reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus the digit which we get from the remainder which we get from the modulus, and after that we must remove the remainder. For that, what we will do, we will take n by 10 and we must return the reverse. That means the reverse will be in the power. For that, what we will do, we will have a variable result in the type of double, because why we are using that in double means we're gonna use math.pow function. That function will be works if the variable is in double. So in the math.pow function, what we will do, we will get n raised to the power of reverse. So since the n is getting into the loop, so it might change the value. What we will do initially, before getting into the loop, we will store the value of n in original integer, I mean original variable. Then at last we can access the original variable like original pow original comma reverse, like that we can do. And then one important thing, in the note they have given result will be always print into 32-bit signed integer. Okay, so as per in Java, integer has certain limits. Okay, it can be exists in only certain limit. So if we have any large numbers like 1 not 4, so reverse of it will be 4 not 1, and the power will be in large digits which will exist the 32-bit signed integer, and also we have a double in our code that makes the overflow when we convert it into an integer, so that causes the overflow. Since as I said, in Java the integer has certain limits, so if result value is greater than the certain limit, that means integer limit, we must return 0. For that also we will have one statement. So let us get into the code. Int you will have digit, then int reverse. So we will store here the reverse value, then int origin. So we'll see org is original. So here we will have the n value. So this value only we'll use at last. Then we can use while loop. So while the condition is being true, this loop will run. So our condition is n not equal to 0. So if this condition is true, then the loop will execute. So as I said, in digit will have the remainder of 10. That means n modulus of 10. Digit is equal to n modulus of 10. 10. Then reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus the digit. Then we must take the last value, remove the last value from n. So what we are going to do, just divide it by 10. N divide by 10. So 10. So while if this loop execute, we will get the reverse value of n. Then what we will do, enter. So enter, we will have another variable in double, in the type of double, double, which will be result is equal to. So we will call math dot power original value raised to the power of reverse. So as I said, you can have a if statement to check whether if the result is greater than the integer limit, that means integer maximum value, then we must return 0. Result greater than integer dot maximum underscore value, then we must return 0. So at last we will return the result, but we must take one thing. What does it mean? Our return type is integer, but here we have a result in type of double. So we must convert the double into integer. So for that, what we will do, we will put integer in brackets so that it will be converted, and result, yeah, it will be converted. One thing we must change, since the Java is case sensitive, so this all will come in caps. So we must change that. So yes. So let us execute this code. Yeah, we are getting output. See, for the n input 104, we are getting output 0, expected output. So let us give a custom input like 24 and check what is the output. So it is also coming 0 and 0. So our code is running. So let us submit and see. So it passed all the test cases. So our code is correct. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos.